Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and here we have an M&C Eurocylinder. And there's a couple of things which are curious about this lock. One is, just look how big this key is. It looks like a ping pong bat. I mean, it's a table tennis bat. It just is ginormous. I mean, it's really, really big. Why would it have to be that big? The other thing about this is that it's only a little 5-pin Eurocylinder with a very normal Yale-ish style keyway, albeit that it's very, very thin and quite paracentric. M&C are better known for locks like the M&C Colour, which has security pins, a dimple keyway, it's got sliders and all of that kind of stuff. They do still a sort of normal style Eurocylinder, but it's the M&C Matrix, which is a lot higher security. So this must be quite an old lock from M&C, and it's only a little 5-pinner, as you can see. The bitting is nothing to shout about either. You certainly wouldn't write home to tell mum about it, would you? But nevertheless, we'll give it a pick. I have taken off the circlip here already so that we can do an easy gut. We'll throw it in a vise and I'll see you in a second. So we're in the vise. Here is the key. I'm going to make sure that oh, no, that's not in right at all. This is why you always check with the key. So you just want to make sure that the whole thing can turn. There you go. This is like one of those locks which has a what do you call that? A cog? I don't know. But yeah, I think it operates like sliding doors. But that does work nice and smoothly. Now, put my thumb over this so I don't auto gut the lock, which is very embarrassing when you do it. There we go. I'll just move my body a little to the side as well so we can have a look. Go into the back and feel what we've got. So pin 4 there is binding. So binding quite heavily but smoothly. Little click. Nothing on 3, 2 or 1. So it's back to the back to, oh yeah, I can feel that 5's binding. Give that a click. Nice and smooth, feels like standard pins. 3. Again, I'm putting moderate tension on this, and then 1. I think we might even have it open after this. Let's have a look. Pin 1. Make sure I don't slide off. There we go, got it. And we are open. That was very quick. All of them felt like standard pins when I was picking it, and I happen to know that it is all standard pins inside here. But what I'm trying to say is they feel like standard pins. There's a very, smooth and constant feel as the pins bind, and then you hear that nice little click when you get that set, and there's no false sets or anything like that in there at all. So yeah, we've got that full open there. So let's turn that round, see if we can't gut this, and I'll show you what's inside, albeit it's not very exciting. So I'll do this very, very quickly. I just need one of these little bottom of the keyway things. We will then grab anything that has a little hook on it and pull that plug out. There will be inside here some spacers that go into the back of the plug and interact with. I don't know whether you can see down there, get the light in a little bit. There's that's it, yeah, you can see like there's a little cam selector thing at the back. So yeah, let's pop this front of the keyway follower in, take this out, and then we'll quickly whiz through and take these driver pins out. If you wonder what I was doing, so the driver pins were stuck up in the little gap here, and just running the top of this down the keyway meant that I can just move the driver pins out of the way. Sometimes you just do things and you forget why you do them. It's always worth explaining. So pin 1 is a standard, driver pin 2 is a standard, driver pin 3 is also, can you guess? It's there we go, it's standard. 4 is standard and 5 is standard. I'll just try and get those out. Why haven't they come out? Well, they've actually trapped themselves, there we go, in amongst all the other junk at the back of the lock. Where is it? It's right in there. Come on, get out up there. It's like stuck in there somehow. Where? That is annoying. Somehow there's a driver pin and it doesn't want to come out. Okay, we'll worry about that in a minute. I don't think it really matters considering how dull this lock is on the inside. So we might just, oh, it's here. Ugh, it's doubled up. I wonder how many of you noticed that and are screaming at the screen at the moment. Okay, so they're all standards, and I think, yeah, all of these are standard pins as well, going along. And put those in the right order, which is like that and then like this. And that is very dull, but that's what's on the inside of the lock, just standard pins. So yeah, very strange to have such a low security M&C lock, but I suppose that at one point they used to make lower security locks. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so. If you have any comments, do leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. And of course, I'll see you all next time.